Proposition: vegans are better than God. What do you think? If you don't believe me, come and talk about it during my next live. Here's the points we'll be discussing. Number 1. God created serial killers in the form of lions, crocodiles, and snakes. God is either drunk, stoned, cruel, or dead, or he never existed in the first place. Now, I can already tell that some of you are getting upset, but just keep reading and just formulate your own arguments against this. Let's look at number 2. God does not even follow his own commandments, which state, "Thou shalt not kill," and "Thou shalt not steal." God failed when he gave anyone free will to be cruel. I already know many of you are trying to find a loophole here, but the reality is that when it comes to the 10 Commandments, it does not say, "Thou shalt not steal only from humans," or "Thou shalt not kill only humans." Therefore, it only stands to reason that it applies to everyone. Let's look at number 3. If vegans were in charge, they would have only created animals who eat plants. Number 4. If vegans were in charge, in order to avoid overpopulation, a preset death date would have been in place whereby all species would die peacefully in their sleep without ever experiencing pain. Humans, for example, might all die at the age of 100 without ever having had cancer, a heart attack, or a stroke. Summary: don't be religious. Be sane. Be vegan. Save animals by not eating, wearing, or using them. If you're not following me yet, now's the time to do so. Come to my next live and let's talk about all of this together.